Be honest. Have you ever gone on vacation with your partner thinking it'd be total paradise, and then found yourselves arguing about where to eat, when to wake up, or why someone packed 4 pairs of extra shoes just in case? All-inclusive resorts sound like pure bliss, and they can be, but when you throw in unlimited drinks, sunburns, and 2 completely different ideas of what relaxing means, you might discover a few cracks in paradise. So today, we're diving into 10 of the most common things couples fight about at all-inclusive resorts, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Let's jump in. Number 1. Excursions. Adventure versus relaxation. This one is classic. One of you wants to book every excursion on the list: ziplining, snorkeling, ATV rides, swimming with sharks. The other one wants to stay horizontal for 72 hours with a drink in hand. Suddenly, you're debating whether vacation means thrill-seeking or sleep-seeking. The fix? Pick one adventure day and one total chill day. That way, both sides win. And honestly, sometimes your best memories come from doing something the other person wanted, even if you complained the whole way there. Number 2. Budget battles. All-inclusive doesn't always mean everything's free. The spa, the gift shop, the upgraded wine list all seem to whisper, "It's vacation, treat yourself," until the checkout bill screams otherwise. Usually, one partner's the saver and one's the spender, and nothing kills a romantic sunset faster than realizing someone dropped $200 on mass-produced souvenirs. The fix? Make a fun fund. Agree on an amount you can each spend however you want, guilt-free. That way, if one person wants a massage and the other wants a bottle of fancy rum, no one feels like they're overspending. Number 3. Where to eat. The great resort debate. 12 restaurants, and somehow none of them sound just right. You've got one partner scrolling the resort app saying Italian or steakhouse, while the other staring into space like it's a life or death decision. And by the time you agree, the place has a 40-minute wait list and you're both hungry enough to eat your beach towels. This becomes even more complicated when you have to make reservations in advance, and both parties cannot agree. The fix? Decide earlier in the day. Maybe after breakfast, lock it in. Or alternate nights. One person picks tonight, the other picks tomorrow.
Are you planning a vacation to Punta Cana? We have fantastic news. We partnered with Shannon and Nina, 2 amazing US travel agents who can help you plan the perfect trip. Do you want to just get on a plane and know it's all handled? They can do that. Or do you want to collaborate with them to plan every step? They can do that too. For a free consultation, scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description.
Number 4. Sleep schedule clashes. This one gets spicy. You're up at 6 a.m., coffee in hand, ready to watch the sunrise. Your partner's still dreaming of pancakes and room service. By the time they're ready, it's 11 a.m. and you've already lived a full day with mild resentment. It's not about laziness, it's just rhythm. Some people recharge by sleeping in, others by getting an early start. The fix? Talk about your ideal morning before you go to sleep, even if it's just agreeing to meet for breakfast at 9 instead of silently stewing until noon. Number 5. One wants to party, one wants to chill. Every resort has that one night. Live music, beach party, karaoke, and suddenly one of you is the life of the party while the other's mentally in bed already in pajamas. It's not that either person is wrong, it's just vacation mode looks different for everyone. Agree on party nights and chill nights in advance, and if one of you's ready to crash early, let the other stay out a bit longer. Earplugs and mutual respect go a long way. Number 6. Activity overload versus doing nothing. You know that partner who wants to join everything? Foam party, beach volleyball, salsa class, aqua aerobics. Meanwhile, the other ones like, can I please just read my book in peace? You might think, we came all this way, we should do everything. But doing everything often means you both burn out and need a vacation from your vacation. The compromise. Split the day, mornings for adventure, afternoons for lazy floating in the pool or vice versa. You'll both come home relaxed and with stories to tell. Number 7. Sunbathing versus shade wars. Every couple has a sun worshipper and one shade chaser. You want to tan. They want to avoid becoming a lobster. Suddenly, you're moving beach chairs every 15 minutes like a solar-powered chess game. Here's the trick. Sit near each other, but in your own zones. One chair in the sun, one in the shade, proximity without pain. And sunscreen, always sunscreen. Number 8. The casino trap. The resort casino. It starts innocent, just for fun, and suddenly, someone's chasing a jackpot while the other's googling how to cancel flights home. Money is emotional, and vacations make us feel more impulsive. So, if you are going to gamble, bring a set amount in cash. When it's gone, you're done. And if you win, great. Use it to buy your partner a souvenir and walk away a hero. Number 9. Together 24/7. Too much togetherness. We love our partners, we really do. But after 3 straight days of sharing a room, meals, and pool float, you might start craving 5 minutes of alone time. That's normal. You don't have to do everything together to have a good trip. Schedule solo time. A quick gym session, a walk, or just a solo coffee run. Then meet back up and swap stories. It keeps the spark and your sanity alive. Number 10. Social butterfly versus lone wolf. This one hits home for us because I'm the introvert and John is 100% the extrovert. He's the one who can make 3 new friends at the swim-up bar before the drinks even arrive, and I'm the one quietly thinking, who is this Melinda and why is she now part of our vacation? Here's the thing, neither of those personalities is wrong. Resorts are super social places, so the extrovert is thriving, but the introvert is like, I love people, just fewer of them. So the fix is balance. Do a social hour, 1 block of time where you both mingle, talk to the Canadians you just met, say yes to dinner with a fun couple, and then 1 block that's just the 2 of you. That way, the extrovert gets their people time and the introvert can recharge their social battery. Real talk, none of these are relationship-ending fights. They're just small moments that pop up when expectations don't line up. Plan a little before the trip and talk openly during it, and you'll avoid most of them. Now click on this video to see 20 non-obvious things to pack for your all-inclusive vacation.